Welcome to Tratak Dhyan. This ancient practice is used to sharpen the intellect, improve the eyesight, and even build intuition. It also calms the mind, which you may experience in today's practice. So, for this practice, you need a candle or a lamp, and you need to keep it at an eye level height. So, if you don't have your setup ready, please pause the video and prepare it. Now that you are ready with your setup, sit in a comfortable posture and keep the lamp at a 1 arm distance. Remove your spectacles or lenses. If you have had any eye surgeries in the last 3 months, please skip today's practice. Relax your shoulders. Throughout the practice, you have to gaze at the flame without blinking. So when your eyes start to water, you can simply close your eyes. But till the time I don't give you instructions to close your eyes, try and not close them. It is very important that you maintain a steady focus during the practice. Even if you get distracted, simply bring your attention back to the flame. This can be challenging at first, but it is crucial for this practice. Please close your eyes. Take a deep inhale and exhale. Take another deep inhale and exhale. Take another deep inhale and exhale. Keep your eyes closed. Set an intention to maintain your focus. I will maintain my focus on the flame no matter what. Even if I get distracted, I will bring my attention back. For the next 10 minutes, I will give my 100% to this practice. With this intention, open your eyes and fix your gaze on the flame. Do not blink your eyes. Make sure that your shoulders are relaxed. Maintain your focus. Close your eyes and maintain a focus between your eyebrows. Open your eyes again and continue the practice. Keep your gaze on the flame. Keep your focus fixed on the flame. Close your eyes. And again, maintain a focus between your eyebrows. You may see the reflection of the flame. Keep it steady between your eyebrows. We will do one last round of Tratak practice. Set an intention to give your 100% to this round. Open your eyes. Fix your gaze. And don't let it waver. Stay focused. Close your eyes. Maintain a focus between the eyebrows. Bring your hands together, rub them, place them on your eyes, and gently open your eyes. Thank you for practicing Tratak today.